Have you ever wondered how secure your financial future really is? In a world where the economy can change with a startling speed, it's a question that plagues many minds. We all desire to create a safe future for our families, but the unpredictable financial landscape often feels like an ever-changing labyrinth. Picture a game of chess, where the pieces are in perpetual motion and the rules are continuously evolving. Such is the experience of navigating the financial world. One moment you believe you're making an appropriate move, only to discover that the market has shifted, and what once seemed a secure investment now appears a risky venture. It's an intricate world of stocks and bonds, of interest rates and inflation, where every choice can determine the difference between achieving financial stability or facing financial disaster. And this world does not revolve around you alone. It encompasses your children, your parents, your dear ones. Their futures are inextricably linked to your financial choices. Now imagine if there existed a way to firmly grasp control over your financial destiny. What if a road existed that could guide you towards financial stability, even amidst an unpredictable economy? This is where real estate investment emerges as a solution. It's a tangible asset, a concrete foundation in the fickle environment of the economic world. It offers something you can visualize, touch, and feel. It's more than just figures on a monitor. It's an actual property that can generate a consistent income stream, serve as a buffer against inflation, and act as a financial safety net for your family's future. However, is real estate investment truly the key? Can it genuinely offer the financial security we all yearn for? The answer rings out in a confident yes. But this journey is not without its hurdles. It necessitates thorough research, strategic planning, and above all, the courage to take the plunge. It's a world of analysis and information, of opportunities and risks, where knowledge and wisdom can determine the difference between a successful investment and a costly mistake. And this world is not just about you. It's about your family, your friends, your community. Their futures are tied to your actions, your decisions, your investments. So the question remains, can you navigate the stormy seas of financial uncertainty? There a tool to cut through the fog of economic insecurity? Is there a path to a more secure, more prosperous future? Yes, there is, through real estate investment. Consider the Johnsons, an average American family who took the leap into real estate investment. They were just like many of us, living paycheck to paycheck and worrying about their financial future, a future that seemed as uncertain as a coin flip. They were apprehensive, but they knew they needed to make a change. In their quest to secure their financial future, the Johnsons stumbled upon the idea of investing in real estate. They had heard stories of others who had made fortunes in real estate, but they were skeptical. After all, they were not real estate moguls. They were just average folks with regular jobs. But the Johnsons decided to take the plunge. They started small, buying a modest rental property in their hometown. It was a fixer-upper, but they saw potential. They spent their weekends renovating the property, pouring their sweat and heart into transforming the old house into a home. Now let's talk about a concept called cash flow. This is the money that you make from a real estate investment after all expenses are paid. For the Johnsons, this was the rent they received from their tenants. After paying the mortgage, taxes, insurance, and maintenance costs, they found that they were making a profit each month. This extra income was a game changer for the Johnsons. It provided a cushion for unexpected expenses and allowed them to start saving for their children's college education. Over the years, the Johnsons continued to invest in real estate, slowly building their portfolio. They experienced the power of appreciation, another important real estate concept. This is the increase in the value of a property over time. As they held onto their properties, they saw their values rise, increasing their net worth. Today, the Johnsons enjoy financial security and peace of mind thanks to their decision to invest in real estate. They've built a nest egg that will provide for them in their retirement years. And the best part, they've created a legacy that they can pass down to their children. A legacy built on the solid foundation of real estate investment. So how did real estate investment transform the Johnsons' financial future, you may ask? Well, let's delve into the power of real estate investment and unravel the mystery. One of the greatest benefits of real estate investment is the potential for passive income. Unlike a 9-to-5 job, where your income is directly tied to your hours, Real estate can provide a steady stream of income without the constant hands-on work. Imagine owning a property that renters are paying off for you. Month after month, you collect a rent check, while the value of your property appreciates. It's like having an employee working around the clock to earn you money. Now, let's talk about tax benefits. Real estate investors enjoy numerous tax benefits that can save them thousands of dollars a year. For instance, the interest on a mortgage for an investment property is tax deductible. Furthermore, investors can write off property taxes, insurance, maintenance repairs, and even travel expenses related to their properties. These tax benefits can significantly reduce the cost of owning an investment property and increase your overall return. And there's more. Real estate investment brings increased financial stability. Unlike stocks and bonds, which can be volatile and unpredictable, real estate tends to appreciate over time. It's a tangible asset that you can touch, feel, and utilize. It's not just a piece of paper or a number on a screen. This makes it a reliable and resilient investment, a safety net that can protect you and your family from financial downturns. But let's not forget about the potential for wealth creation. Real estate has been a proven wealth builder for centuries. From small single-family homes to large commercial buildings, owning property has been a common denominator among many wealthy individuals and families. And so, the Johnson family harnessed the power of real estate investment to secure their financial future. They leveraged the potential for passive income, took advantage of tax benefits, and enjoyed the increased financial stability that real estate provides. As the Johnsons discovered, real estate investment opens the door to a secure financial future. Now meet the Garcias, a family who had very little savings but still managed to invest in real estate. The Garcias, comprising of Luis and Maria along with their 2 children, lived a modest life. Like many families, they were burdened with the everyday expenses of life, leaving them with a small amount of savings. But they had a dream to secure a financially stable future for their children. In their search for a solution, they stumbled upon real estate investment. The idea of owning property and generating income from it was enticing, but with their limited savings, traditional investment seemed out of reach. Then, they discovered a creative strategy: house hacking. This strategy involves buying a multi-family property, living in one unit, and renting out the others. The rent from the other units covers the mortgage, essentially allowing the Garcias to live for free while building equity in their property. They started small, purchasing a duplex in a neighborhood with potential for growth. They lived in one unit and rented the other. The rent they received covered their mortgage payments and even left them with a small profit each month. Over time, as the property appreciated in value, they built up equity, and their net worth began to grow. The Garcias didn't stop there. They saved their profits and invested in another property. With each investment, they grew their wealth and increased their financial security. Today, they own several properties and have a steady stream of rental income. Their story is a testament to the power of real estate investment. Despite starting with very little, they've built a prosperous future for their family. They've achieved the financial freedom they once only dreamed of, proving that with the right strategy and a little creativity, anyone can make their way into real estate investment. Despite starting with little, the Garcias built a prosperous future through real estate investment. You may be thinking, but I don't have enough money or knowledge to invest in real estate. And you're not alone. Many people feel this way, but let's debunk these common misconceptions and explore how you can overcome these obstacles. First, the notion that you need a lot of money to start investing in real estate. While it's true that some properties require a significant initial investment, there are other options available. For instance, you could consider partnering with others. Pooling resources with friends, family, or business associates can make property investment a viable option. Alternatively, you could secure a loan. Many banks and financial institutions offer mortgages specifically designed for real estate investment. Secondly, you might be concerned about the lack of knowledge. It's a valid concern, but remember, every expert was once a beginner. Fortunately, we live in an age where knowledge is at our fingertips. There are countless online resources available to educate yourself on real estate investment. From ebooks to webinars, online courses, and forums, you can learn from the comfort of your own home, at your own pace. Another common obstacle is the fear of the unknown. Investing in real estate can seem risky, especially if you're new to it. But here's the thing, all investments come with a certain level of risk. The key is to manage that risk. Do your due diligence. Research the market, understand the trends, and make informed decisions. And remember, you don't have to go it alone. There are professional real estate advisors who can guide you through the process. Lastly, time constraints may be an issue. But consider this. Investing in real estate is a long-term commitment. It's not something you need to monitor every day, unlike certain other investments. Once you've made the initial investment and set up a good management system, it can be relatively hands-off. No matter your current situation, a secure financial future through real estate investment is within your reach. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, so take that step today. Imagine a future where you and your family are financially secure, no matter what life throws at you. Picture this. You're able to breathe easily knowing that your family's financial future is secure. There's no more tossing and turning at night, worrying about unexpected expenses or sudden changes in the economy. Instead, peace of mind is your constant companion. How, you might ask? Through the power of real estate investment. When we talk about financial security, we're not just referring to having enough money to cover the bills. It's about creating a safety net that allows you to weather life's storms without worry. It's about knowing that you've built a financial fortress that can withstand job loss, health issues, or any of life's unexpected curveballs. Real estate investment offers a tangible path to this kind of security. Unlike stocks or bonds, which can be volatile and uncertain, real estate is a stable and long-term investment. It's something you can touch, see, and manage directly. This hands-on control, coupled with the steady appreciation of property values over time, offers a sense of security that is hard to find in other forms of investment. Moreover, real estate investment can provide a steady stream of income in the form of rental returns. This can act as an additional safety net, supplementing other sources of income and ensuring that you always have a financial cushion to fall back on. But perhaps, most importantly, investing in real estate allows you to leave a legacy for your family. A legacy that's built on solid ground and can be passed down through generations. It's not just about providing for your immediate family, but also about ensuring the financial security of your children and even your grandchildren. The peace of mind that comes with this kind of financial security is priceless. It frees you to focus on what really matters, spending quality time with your family, pursuing your passions, and living life on your own terms. This future can be yours through real estate investment. Are you ready to secure your family's financial future? We've spent the last 14 minutes exploring the power of real estate investment and how it can transform your family's financial future. We've peeled back the curtain on the ins and outs of the real estate market, and we've seen how it has changed the lives of families like the Johnsons and the Garcias. Remember the Johnson family? They were just like many of us, uncertain about their financial future. They decided to take the plunge into real estate, and now they have a robust income stream that's not only covering their bills, but also allowing them to save for their children's education and their own retirement. Similarly, the Garcia family found their financial footing through real estate investment. Despite facing obstacles and challenges, they persevered. Now they're reaping the rewards with a steady income and a home that's appreciating in value. These families aren't anomalies. They're examples of what's possible when you embrace the power of real estate investment. They've created a financial safety net that not only provides for their present needs, but also secures their future and that of their children. So where does that leave us? It leaves us with a call to action. Your call to action. It's time to take that first step towards securing your family's financial future. It might seem daunting, but remember, every journey begins with a single step. Investing in real estate doesn't have to be an overwhelming process. There are resources available to help you navigate this journey, whether it's your first time dipping your toes in the property market or you're a seasoned investor looking for your next big project. The power to change your family's financial future is in your hands. Real estate investment is a proven, time-tested way to build wealth and financial stability. It's an opportunity to create a legacy that can benefit your family for generations to come. Don't wait for tomorrow. Make the decision to secure your family's financial future through real estate investment today.